Nope, don't want that, but you want this, right?
Okay.
Ah, he's got some sharp claws. Come here.
If you want some, come and get it.
No, I think it's just tea buddy time this time.
Then I'm just waiting all patiently.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Hey, a little feisty cat. Handsome.
In cases.
I'll give you a different piece. He's like, I love catnip. Look at that little mouth chew.
Kitty nip day on the porch.
And a beautiful sunny day, right? Osiris. Osiris, you want some? Because T-Buddy's eating. Obviously, you don't want to eat.
This is your way to bond with him.
Yeah, over catnip if you want some.
He will be your best friend.
The rest is for a little boy.
See if he tries to bite your fingers if you touch him. Put your finger up to his face. No?
Want a fresh piece? Oh, now you decided to join the crowd?